In the last video, we explored the difference between printing with an underbase and printing without one. In this video, we're comparing the print flash print method to an underbase to see if there are certain designs we can skip the underbase entirely. So let's start by printing our design once to see what it looks like after just one pass. Here's the result with just one print. The colors are not very bright and could definitely use a second layer. Now we'll try the print flash print method. For this, we'll print the first layer of color, flash cure it, and then print the second layer right on top. Here's the result. It got decent coverage and the colors are more vibrant than printing with no underbase at all, making it a good alternative if you don't want to use an underbase. Now let's compare the two methods. On the left, you can see the print flash print result. The colors are really vibrant, but tend to have a softer, slightly less opaque finish. On the right is the underbase print. The colors are a little brighter and bolder, so can you skip the underbase? Well, for some designs, especially those with lighter tones, or when they have a muted look, the print flash print method is a great option. But if you really want your colors to pop, an underbase is your best bet. What do you think? Do you need an underbase, or can you get away with the print flash print method? Is there anything else you'd like to learn? Drop a comment below and let us know.